So there's actually a lot to unpack here, but basically, like we say in our music education, generally, when you are starting, you want to look at the very beginning. So if you go all the way to the leftmost part of the staff, you'll see that there is something that's shaped like a C. And that C is telling you exactly where the note C is, because that is in fact a clef. So now that you know where C is, you know what notes come above it and below it. And the note that comes right below C is B. And if we know our music theory, generally there's going to be a half step when there's a B below a C. Now in this case, the next symbol that we have right after that is a flat sign. You see it's like the round B shape. And that tells us that our B is actually going to be flat, so it's one half step lower. So now we know that the first two notes are actually going to be a whole step apart from each other. Now, what can be confusing is that a lot of times the flat doesn't necessarily mean it's a key signature. It might just only apply to that one flat. So a lot of times you have to just do guesswork in this kind of notation. You have to remember, in this time period, music notation was really just a way to help you remember things or to write down maybe a good improvisation or a good composition so you can kind of either expand on it later or so that way you can actually learn how to play music that some people thought was good enough to write down. Otherwise, people would have improvised or just played just anything basically or played by ear.